Hello youngsters! Welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous video, you already know by now na na-injured ako last time and sumakit ang balakang. Okay na naman siya last week, but now medyo sumakit na naman eh. Nag-start to nung nagsuot ako ng high heels last time. So if you're like me, my hip problem, here's some yoga exercises I found online to help you ease the pain. Actually, it's very effective. After doing it for 2 days, okay na ako ulit. So youngsters, grab a mat or if you don't have, pwede na mga blanket. So come with me and let's do some yoga stretching. Disclaimer lang ha, I'm not a professional yoga teacher. I only do personal yoga practice at home through online tutorials. So whatever pain I incur or feel is at my own risks. What I do love about yoga is that you don't need to go outside. You can do it in the comfort of your home space. Just like me sa loob lang ng bedroom. I am not into heavy workouts. I only do walking and hiking. But running and weightlifting is not for me. Saludo ako sa mga tao that have the energy for an early jog and a stamina to do cardio. Actually, I've been doing yoga practice since during the pandemic time. We can't go outside, so here lang inside the house, pwede na. I am looking for an easy exercise lang sana. But when I tried it, hindi din pala ganun kadali. It looks so easy, but in reality, masakit siya sa mga muscles. But after you do the stretching, hay, grabe, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Just like today, na-stretch ng gusto mga muscle tendons ko sa my hips area. It really feels so good. But to be honest, there are times when I don't feel like moving. Yung iniisip ko palang na manginginig tuhod ko after the practice, pagod na ako agad. But I always try to convince myself na it's for my own good. Kaya hayon, nagkakaroon ako ng will to practice kahit mga 20 minutes lang. Pag weekdays, I usually do it before I go to sleep. During weekends naman, I do it twice a day. After I drink coffee in the morning and after my afternoon nap. How about your friends? What's your exercise regimen? Comment down below naman and tell us so that we can also try it. You can search online para sa mga tutorials. Since medyo matagal-tagal na rin ako nagpa-practice, I already have my favorite channels. I am more into slow-moving yoga. Pag mabilis kasi parang di ko nafe-feel yung pagkaka-stretch ng mga muscles ko. I recommend yoga practice, especially to all of you who doesn't have time to go to the gym or park to exercise. It can relax you and you can practice your breathing and release body tension. And it is very good for your mental health also. You can also search online para sa mga benefits ng yoga practice. You can also choose what kind of yoga moves you want to do for your body. But if you feel the need to deepen your knowledge about yoga, you can always look for a professional teacher to help you to a more in-depth practice. But if you really have a bad injury or those who had surgery around the hips area, I don't recommend yoga for you. Baka lalo ka lang masaktan due to stretching. Mine naman is not that serious, kaya I can still do the practice. We should also be mindful to what we are doing. But if you really have a bad injury or those who had surgery around the hips area, I don't recommend yoga for you. Baka lalo ka lang masaktan due to stretching. Mine naman is not that serious, kaya I can still do the practice. We should also be mindful to what we are doing. Ako naman, I am just sharing a way to ease little pain since I think yoga have benefits for me. If you think yoga will do more harm than good to your body, wag na lang. So youngsters, if you think yoga is for you, go and practice na every day. I'm sure maa-addict ka rin katulad ko. Then tell us about your experience para ma-encourage din natin iba nating mga friends. So there you go youngsters. That's the end of our session today. I hope this video helps you. Namaste. This is your friend Jaja Yang from Taiwan with love.